Woo! Let's get to it, baby. All right, guys. So if you're watching this on the re-record, the replay of this, we're going to be live streaming this. We don't know if they're going to come out with some late earnings. It's possible we're going to go over a lot of stuff in today's live stream. I was going to put a video together, but I was like, what if I'm putting this video together and all of a sudden they release the earnings as I'm putting the video together? So I'm like, I'll just come out here and talk. We'll go for about 30 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour, maybe about 30, 45 minutes, and see if we get any kind of update. But I do have information to give you also. So yeah, going to be pretty exciting, guys. All right, guys. Thank you all for joining in. Appreciate the support. All right, real quick, I got to get the link into the chat.
Seeking Alpha presents the top stocks of 2000.
Got to get that ad revenue here, man. We got to get that ad revenue. All right. So let me get out here and get my link and put this in the current chat for anyone that wants to join. You don't even understand. It really helps out a lot. All right, your channel. And we are live. We got people joining in. Hey, what's going on, Steve, Bezos, Kenny, Slow? What's going on? Buy the dip, baby. That's right. All right, so I'm going to get these in here. Get that pinned. And oh, it won't let you put a comment in yet. But all right, we got it pinned at least so people can see it that's joining in. All right. All right, perfect. Yeah, John, so far, no earnings. Yes, we are waiting to see. Yes. Hey, Hal, what's going on, buddy? Big Chris, the only question that matters, Wen Divy. Exactly. I have that here in the thumbnail. Wen freaking Divy. Space Goes. So I'm going to give people a few minutes to join in, and we're going to go over some stuff. I know our buddy Smokey streamed. So Smokey streamed for over 2 hours. So I know he probably gave out a lot of great information. I did pop in to say hi. And just put in there Wen Divy because we are, hoping we get an update. Hey, Courtney, thank you for joining. We got Space Goes, Brent. All right, man, I appreciate everyone's support. You don't even know. I'm hoping to get, an update as we're doing the live stream. That would be phenomenal. As you saw in the thumbnail, and we got it back here, man, and George we trust. We're really trusting George on these old Smokalicious. Yes, we love Smokey, man. He gave you all entertainment, so I wanted to let him do his thing. And after he was finished, I figured I was going to do a video, and I'm like, no, my luck, I'll be midway recording my video, and then they're going to drop the actual SEC. So all right, we got Brendan and Ellis Fun Event. That's how this company rolls earnings today, but nothing. Same old sheesh. Yes, they do. They did this last time. It was a late dropping of earnings. So maybe we can get lucky and get the earnings on live. Yeah, still the February 10th here on SEC. I just want to show you guys. I have it all pulled up, ready to go. I got also a MetaMaterials website, still 223. I got it pulled up on the Fintel because they drop it too. No update there on the Fintel. Yes, Smokey did put in a lot of work for you guys, giving y'all a lot of time today. And yeah, still no update yet on that. But this is something beautiful that I do want to show you guys. And I just wanted to get on here live and kind of show you here on oilprice.com. WTI crude is $108 a barrel right now, and Brent crude is $109. We got to click on the WTI crude, and yeah, this is some beautiful bean footage. Look at that right there. WTI crude on the futures here. It's just mooning right now. I mean, it's looking really great. Let's see if we can get a whole chart. Oh, it just pulls it up over here on the side. Yeah, looking really good. Let me adjust my box. My box is a little big. You can't see everything. There we go. Yeah, so I don't know if we have a divvy or no divvy yet, but I'm going to say if we do not have a sale yet, man, $108 a barrel, pushing $109 here as we speak. We got the futures up right here on oil, and Brent crude just passed $110 a barrel. So yeah, oil is going bonkers right now, no pun intended. But I retweeted here from George. He replied back to Smokey. So I did this here on Twitter, talking about the earnings update from George. And Smokey here from his live stream earlier said he tagged Meta Materials and George saying, "We're expecting earnings this evening. Was there a delay or is it still able to be posted? Thanks for any answers you can give." And George replied back fairly quickly to Smokey. So George knew that we were going to be anticipating these earnings. And George says, "Our live earnings call is still on for tomorrow, and so we'll be filing everything as planned. Paperwork on our first ever NASDAQ annual report and 10K plus Edgar all underway, so little delay." So the good thing we want to take away from this, that everything is on schedule for tomorrow. That is going to be the live earnings call. That's the big one, man. We don't want to be late going into the live earnings call. Personally, I would prefer to be late, like releasing this, filing here. If we can get the live earnings call now, I do got a little bit of bad news. I'll be at work at 11 o'clock when they post that. But I did hear Smokey is going to be live streaming that for you guys. So that is awesome that he's going to be able to bring that to you. Unfortunately, I'll be at work. So I'll be able to come back and do a recap video of the earnings and give you my opinion and my thoughts. But I'm hoping we get some kind of news about the dividend, guys. We need some update on the divvy. I don't care what it is. We need to know, is it sold, not sold? Are we in some kind of contract? Is anyone looking to get us, man? Yeah, this is crazy. All right. We got some people's comments here. Paul saying oil is going nuts, so is our divvy. Yes. MMTLP did fairly well today, actually. MMTLP, Yahoo Finance. Let's pull it up real quick. Yeah, $1.93. Hey, we got to give a quick thing here to, who was that? Paul, I saw. 9 p.m. Wife got to go to work at 6 a.m. I need to sleep. Paul, have a great night, man. Thank you for joining. Oh, yeah, and I think I did hear Bob Biden is doing the State of the Union address. I think that's tomorrow. So, hey, Dallas, welcome in. Unfortunately, there is no earnings yet, and here it is, 9:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's looking like we might not even get anything till tomorrow by this reply back here from George. So George just basically everything is, there's a little bit of delay. It's their first ever NASDAQ annual report in 10K and Edgar all underway. So there's a little bit of a delay. So we're not sure if we're going to get anything. So we're just waiting. If you're all in here, make sure you smash thumbs up. Really helps out the channel a lot. Also, if you see the pinned comment here in the live chat, you can join the channel and it really helps out a lot as well. So we'll go here and refresh a couple things and see if we got any updates. 223, no. How many people we got? 57 people. Thank you all for joining. I think for the first one, you'll maybe be on time share when they have their issue. I understand what you're saying, Bob. I get what you're saying. I think they want to take the extra time and just double check, triple check everything because, yeah, still February 10th. Because I'd rather a slight delay, and George is saying it's going to be tomorrow, basically. So I would rather a delay than to put out bad numbers that are not correct. So that's what I'm saying. I think it'd be best if they have a small delay. We don't want to delay the whole earnings call, which he did say the earnings call at 11 a.m. is on track. So that's phenomenal. If we can get some dividend news now with the crude oil, where's it at here? The crude oil just beaming right now. Let's refresh this and see where we're at. Crude oil at 108.65 or 108.39, and Brent crude still at 110. So yeah, go through some of the comments here. Big Chris saying 69.69 divvy, very realistic. Yes, it is. All right. What time tomorrow? So live earnings call tomorrow. I believe it's 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. There we go. All right. Hey, Dame, welcome to the stream, man. Hey, Tyler. Welcome in, everyone. Thank you all for joining. I would love for them to drop it as we're here on the live. That'd be pretty sweet. Yes, also have this post here I wanted to share with you guys. For metamaterial news, wanted to go over this one here. So this is saying if you have MMTLP placeholder before the record date, you will receive the dividend for all the people who didn't know. I do think that there is a lot of people that are new to this, and we want to make sure we educate and get people up to date what's going on. Thank you, Paul. I appreciate it, man. I've been doing my best to keep everyone up to date through the tough times. I'm still out here trying to put out daily videos, if not daily, every other day. I'm not taking really money breaks at all. I try to put out some kind of positive news when I can on metamaterials or the preferred share, anything metamaterials related. Got the fancy cup here, man. Waiting to see if we get the update. Be some good stuff. Yes, thank you, Paul. Appreciate it, man. That's why we come out here and do these videos, is to keep people excited, motivated for the potential this company has. And I think this earnings is going to have some good stuff in it. My prediction on earnings that I'm thinking we're going to have a lot of revenue growth. The nanotech earnings should be in here, so maybe there's a little bit of confusion with the nanotech earnings coming in here. But my curious part is going to be guidance. Number one for me is going to be guidance. Guidance is going to be the number one thing, and of course, number two, anything dividend related, and number three is are we getting close to profitability? Now, I'm not expecting. Oh, Bezos saying the State of the Union is going now. Oh, I didn't even realize that. Wow. I didn't even realize that. Dustin Wright, I finally managed to buy up to 45,265 MMTLP shares, Wen Divy. Wow, Dustin, that is amazing, man. All right, so on this post here, we got Chris Rhodes here on Twitter. He said he was concerned about the OT purchase of MMTLP shares. After some discussions this weekend, he emailed TD Ameritrade, and he emailed them letting him know about the failure to deliver exist, and I was concerned I would receive the dividend. This was their response, and here it says, thank you for your inquiry. According to the DTC, our custodian at TD Ameritrade, these shares are real shares that entitle you to receive the dividend payout from the TRCH Meta merger. If you have any questions on your cost basis, please call this number here. Hey, Jenny, thank you so much for the super chat. Jenny, yes, let's freaking go. Got the emojis there. Hey, Muddock, what's going on? Chris is saying MMT is the hardest stock to hold, it being down 57%, but I'm a believer all the way to the move, currently holding 7,000 shares. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's exactly what I'm talking about. We're holding through this, man. Hal, thank you so much, man. You guys are awesome for the super chats. Hal and Jenny, thank you all so much, man. You don't even know. Those help out a million right now, man. You don't even know. Oh, is this WTI creeping up again? Oh, no, it's coming back down. 108.09. Yes, Michael, smash the like button. Help out your boy Terry. Yes, sir. Man, you guys are awesome tonight, man. I love the stickers and stuff you guys picked. Jenny has the guys shaking the maracas. And we got Hal there with the guy on the chair. That's me right now. We're on the chair burning up, waiting for an update. That'd be pretty amazing. Yes. Jenny, thank you so much, man. I try to keep positive, try to keep that positive energy. And oh yeah, man, I gotta do the intro. I forget to do that. I gotta give you all the intro because we're here live. What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby. By the dip. All right, guys, had to give it to you, man, because I forget to do that in the freaking live stream, so you can see it live, man. Oh man, Space Ghost is saying this is way better than trying to watch Biden mumble. Oh God, Hal says maybe we're contagious. Hey, I love it, man. I love being around my meta millionaires. Like I said, I made a promise to roller pitching. If we get above a $20 divvy, $20 or more, your boy is going to get a bird suit. That's right. If we get a $20 divvy, I told her. I think she was on live stream, and I know she said Allie from Trading Secrets made a deal as well. At the dividend $20, he's going to fly from the UK to her house and do a live stream with her. I don't know if I'd be able to get time off of work for that, but I will definitely do the bird suit and do a live stream. I can be a live stream on her channel in the bird suit, or we could do the live stream on my channel as we're both in a bird suit. You know, however it works. But if we get a $20 divvy, as long as it equals out $20, your boy's going to go buy a bird suit. You best believe it. Yeah. Let's see here. Michael says, Terry, Big Bird Yonker. Yes, sir. Terry, Big Bird Stonker. All right, man. I can't believe these oil prices. It's just amazing. All right. So there was the update on that. Let's go back to SEC. No update yet. I'm hoping they... Yes, Jenny saying we're screenshotting that bird suit for sure. Yes, absolutely. I would love to. I hope I get to do it. Rex saying one of the catchiest intros on YouTube. Thank you so much, man. I just kind of just did it. I'm kind of an energetic person. I'm kind of, I'm kind of trying to be energetic. I try to make stuff entertaining. Stock market, man. You don't think stock market is exciting. People's like, oh, you have a YouTube channel. What do you do? And I'm like, stock market. And they're like, what? Like, people that know me, like, wow, stock market, really? That can't be exciting. It's like, it's exciting if you make it exciting. I've actually had people that know that I do YouTube, but they don't watch my videos. And they'll they'll go watch a video. They'll be like, oh my God, like seeing me on there doing the intro. And back in the day when I had the Mad Dog on here, people was just going crazy. All right. Bob saying early bird gets the worm. Trono is saying bought the dip. Yes, sir. Give you the emoji there for buying the dip. Yes, sir. All right, so Chris the Super saying my honest opinion regarding the difference is going to be from 10 to 20, especially after all the negotiations, lawyer fees, and everything else in between. I'll be happy with 10 to 20. I will be happy with that. We may even just do it at $10. We may just say screw it. If we get a $10 divvy, we may do it. Is it going to be a big bird suit? I don't know. I'm going to have to see what kind of suit I can get in my area. Or if I can find one off eBay cheap and reasonable to get shipped to me. Yeah, Hal here is saying $20 dividend and I retire. Not kidding. I know Hal has a bunch of shares. I remember, I don't know if Hal wants to say how many he had. Chris said Biden said Wen Divy. If Biden really said Wen Divy, please put that on Twitter, because I would love to see it. Love to see it. All right, still no update, guys. We're just kind of cruising out here to see what's going on. All right, so let's go back to home. Let's scroll down here through some of the posts and see what we got going on. Yeah, we did have other earnings today as well. Sofi put out their earnings, and they had phenomenal earnings. Real quick, we're going to take a look at Sofi because they just like blew. Yeah, right here, trending #1. And I've covered this stock before, and there you go, guys. Sofi, man, up 18%, up $2 after hours. Kind of crazy to see that run like that. I did videos on Sofi, man. I knew they were going to have good earnings, in my opinion. And Wall Street right there is rewarding Sofi stockholders, including me. Yes, Sofi, super excited about that one. Wow, how? 127K MMAT and 39K MMTLP. Whoa, my man. That is a boatload of shares, my friend. Wow. That is amazing. I'm not gonna lie. That is amazing. Wow. All right, let's see here. Actually, I need to go see, let's see what, see if metamaterials, non-shallow, yeah. Yes, MMTLP definitely has a short squeeze potential. That is amazing. I just can't get over that, man. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so no big update on there. Let's go to Mr. George himself, see if he has any other. I know he had a couple posts out today. Yes, he has this one here out. So here we go. Live demos. Invisible 5G solid state green solutions are in full swing of our CTO, Dr. Jonathan Waldron. And there's a picture of that right there. All right. And that was it since then. So tweets and replies. We know he has the reply back here to Smokey. Oh, yes, the Fintel. Yes, yes, yes. I got it on here. Let's go over. Yeah, let's do that. Yes, thank you, Courtney, for reminding me to actually give you that because we don't have the SEC update, but I can give you everything else. So let's go over the short interest because that should be updated, actually. Wow, we did move up the chart here on the short squeeze score. We are in the top 100 now, short squeeze, guys. We made it. So our score now is a 90.43, and we are ranked 94 out of 5,500 stocks. How about that? I like seeing that, man. We came a long way, and we're just priming up for the squeeze. It seems like we are priming up for the squeeze. Short shares that are available is only 60,000. And we still got the same fee as yesterday. That is interesting. 1.93%. I think that would want to go up higher because of the buying pressure, but I guess we'll see. What else we got here? All right, so the FINRA short volume ratio, 56.84, about 4.1 million shares. Aggregate short volume ratio, 61.54. And says here our short interest percent of flows of 15.34. Let's go take a look at the institutional owners, see where we're at. Yeah, short interest score 90%, yes. Big Chris saying, since Paul Pelosi is invested in metamaterials, he may be thinking Wen Divy. He might be. He might be thinking Wen Squeeze. That could be it. So here we go. Our ownership accumulation score is a 91.35, ranked 915 out of all of about 25,000 stocks there. We're just shy of 25,000. All right, we got to go over some updated buyers. So we have none here on the first. Chris has the jokes today. All right. Wow, this person did 73 shares. Russell 2000 did 1,200 shares. Yeah, there was this short position from yesterday I did cover. Hal says, I'll buy the first 10 rounds on our MMAT trip. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, man. Yes, sir. If we get the Wen Divy, man, it's going to be amazing. One thing I can say, I am going to be on a cruise in July out of Orlando. So that could be a great opportunity if everyone wanted to come. If we get the big divvy, people got money and they want to take a vacation in the end of July leading into the first week of August. Can come down to Florida and hop on the cruise ship with me and my wife. And we get to celebrate on the cruise ship, man. There's a lot to do there. Casino, entertainment, fun in the sun, destinations. It's a lot going on. So if we get the Wen Divy, I'll just put all the info out here. You all can come down and join up. And yeah, you can meet up with me on the cruise ship. That'd be pretty amazing. Get to meet some of you guys. We'd be celebrating fun in the sun. Hal, thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. But yeah, even if we don't get the big Wen Divy, I would still love for people to come and join if they would like to. I would love to meet people. That'd be pretty awesome. So that would be something interesting for you guys. In July, it's I want to say it's July 30th. July 30th, I want to say, through like the first week of August. So if anyone's interested in cruising, I could put that info out there and you guys could go book your cruise to Carnival. If MMTLP squeezes to 100, is anyone selling? If it does squeeze to 100, yes, I would sell. All right, Space Ghost, how do you buy some MMTLP? All right, so you're going to need a brokerage like Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab. I myself use Fidelity, so you're going to need to use someone like that because this is on the OTC market. So you need a brokerage that is going to be selling OTC stocks. Now, I buy mine through Fidelity, guys. So, like I said, you're going to pay $1.93 right now. Yeah, $100 sold because we know our dividend range is, you know, as Roller Pigeon says, 29 to 46. I mean, so if it goes above 46, I mean, yeah, definitely. Hey, John, what's going on? We got Space Goes. If I buy more, will I still get the divvy? Yes, you will. If you buy some and they have not announced anything on the dividend, and if you can still buy on the OTC, you qualify. Actually, I have that post on my Twitter, actually. Let me go back to my Twitter. Go back to home. You know when MMTLP... No, I do not know when they're going to pay out, but here's the post. And this is here from TD Ameritrade, guys. And this is their response back to this gentleman here on it. I use Fidelity myself. I love Fidelity. That's where I do most of my stuff. I do use Robinhood for some options. I like options on Robinhood. It's a lot easier. Options is a lot easier to do on Robinhood than Fidelity, but I love Fidelity for like my OTC plays, my long positions to buy a stock and forget about it. If you have questions, you can call Fidelity, man. They have great customer service. Every time I have used Fidelity, they are A+, man. They are phenomenal. All right, we got a question here from Bill. I still think we're going to get a certain amount dividend in cash, and the rest will be another oil stock for tax-free. Thoughts? Okay, so if that happens, I'm going to be a happy camper because, yes, I'm going to be very happy because I wouldn't mind having some extra cash. I definitely want some cash. And I also wanted to start a dividends account. And you know, oil stocks usually pay great dividends. And if oil the way it is right now, they should be paying pretty good dividends. So, yes. All right, John says, thank you. So we must have answered this question. Awesome. A mercy received. I'm putting the next few checks in it. I'll be retiring early. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, man. Like I said, don't go putting don't go risking your life away on it, man. It's looking pretty good, but we don't know 100% what it's going to be. Hal saying, agreed, Bill. 49% cash, 51% stock. I'm happy with that. I'm a happy camper. Now, like I said, if it's the stock value and cash value is over $20, I'm going to do the bird suit. May even do it for the fun of it, depending on what we get in the divvy. Because, yeah, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. All right, let's go back here and see what we got here on the updates. Man, thank you all for joining in, man. Really appreciate it. It's late night. Still no update, man. February 10th on the SEC. Dustin Wright, do you think the divvy will actually happen in March? I'm hoping. I'm really hoping. I'm hoping we get like... Here's what I'm thinking. Now, hear me out on this. All right. Are we going to get the physical whole payout in March? That I'm not sure. That I'm still 50-50 on. Do I think we're going to have a 100% knowledge of what's going to happen by March? I would surely hope so. I'm hoping. I'm hoping we get the final. I hope we're going to know what we're going to be getting before March is over. Even if it takes to April or May to actually receive it, I'm hoping by the end of March, we know what we're getting. We know what the dividend is going to be worth. If it's going to be cash, stock, or the both of them combined, or spin out, whatever they're going to do, I want to know by the end of March what we're getting and what's going on. They could take up to a month or two to get us that payment and no stock. That's fine. We just need closure on what it's going to be. The speculation on dividend needs to be over with. All right, we got Mudduck here saying, yes, gasoline went up 13% today. If you need gas, I'd get it now before it goes up tomorrow. Yes, in my area, gas did go up 10 cents today. And I am about a half a tank, and I need to get gas because I want to top it off before it goes up. Hey, what's going on, Wazir? Welcome, man. Yes, Hal made a good point there. Hal, thank you so much for your support, man. Hal says, don't be shy. Even a dollar donation helps, Terry. Yes, it does, man. You don't even know. A dollar goes a long way because they all add up. Dollar really helps. You don't even understand because it just adds up into the revenue. I don't know if you guys know. Maybe people talked about it. But YouTube has cut YouTubers' revenue. I don't know if any other YouTubers really talked about it, but I've noticed, at least for me, about a 30 to 35% cut in the ad revenue. And when Google reported earnings, the YouTube ad revenue was actually down. So that makes sense. That I was kind of nervous for Google earnings. And I think the stock would have traded a little lower. But what saved, I believe, Google earnings was the 20-to-1 stock split. I believe that's what drove the stock to go up the way it did. February 10th, still no update here. What else can we look at here? Do we have any? Yes, make sure you all smash the thumbs up. That helps just as much. If you can't do any kind of cash donation or anything, man, just smashing the thumbs up. Hal with the big $1.99. Thank you, sir. You've been just on a roll tonight, man. Thank you so much, Hal. But yeah, like, share, all that, man. Comments down. Big Chris. Hey, Con, what's going on, man? Saying, what's up, Terry? What's up, man? Get y'all hit here with the emojis. Boom. Jenny, thank you so much. Yes, thank you all so much, man. You guys are just supporting like you don't even know. All right. I got to turn this. I got a little heater over here in my room, and it's getting a little toasty in my YouTube studio room. So let me go turn the heat off, and I'll be right back in a second. Woo! That little heater, man, it gets toasty. Donald, man, thank you so much. Donald M, thank you so much, man. Thanks for all the positive vibes through the ups and downs. Appreciate you, man. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna lie, I was getting a lot of heat there for a while. For posting positive. Trying to post positive videos. Posting positive videos in a bear market is tough. It is tough, but you know what? I said I got to come out here for my people that do care. Like all the ones here in my chat, all you regulars, man, you all have been positive the whole way through this. But you do get a lot of those trolls that come in trying to get a quick buck. You know, we're here for the long haul. That's who we're here to support. Man, I just want to say thank you, man. You all make it awesome to get on here and do all this. And once we get this info, your boy's going to have to bust out the Mad Dog again. But we're going to have to do the Mad Dog on a Friday night. So I don't have to worry about going to work the next day. Because we may have to celebrate and get a little drunk on the stream if we get that big divvy, man. What the heck am I even doing here now? How many people we got now? 131, man. Let's go check the oil prices again. The Meta Mob, yes, sir. Long and strong, yes. Yes, man. Donald stepping in huge. Yes, he did. Now's the time. Now is Georgia's time to go beyond. Yes, it is. Wow, the dividend, the WTI is creeping back up. 108.66. We getting lit for the $40 divvy. Got the feeling. Yes. Like I said, if we get that, man, your boy is going to be, I'll probably be getting drunk on the stream. I'm going to drink some Mad Dog. We're going to be celebrating, and we're going to be just having a good time celebrating. All right, we got Bobby with a comment here. I want to read his comment. What's up, Terry? Added another couple hundred shares of both MMAT and MMTLP today. Got over 1K shares MMAT and 1,200 shares MMTLP now. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Hal says, I believe we're all going to be happy campers tomorrow. Yes. Tomorrow is going to be the day, man. We're waiting for these earnings. And I mean, if we just go back and browse George's comment, Queen gets the moolah, New York City in the house. Of course, you all know I'm here in Maryland myself. So y'all can throw a comment down. Where's everyone from? You don't have to give your city, but you can just say state. If you want to give city and state, you're more than welcome to do that. Of course, you know, I'm from Maryland. I'm going to tell you, I keep getting emails. And look at this here. I keep getting emails, and I'm like, I'm hoping it's like the metamaterials email, but it's not. Jenny's in NYC as well. Awesome. Couple people from New York. I was actually up in New York. It was before the pandemic, I want to say. We did go up. We did a bus trip from Maryland to New York. Okay, we got Muddock from North Carolina. Bobby Luther from North Carolina. We got Raul, Phoenix, Arizona. Big Chris, West Side Funky Town. Eric from Fort Hood, Texas. Whereabouts in Maryland? So I'm about 90 minutes from DC and Baltimore. So I'm really close to DC and Baltimore, actually. I'm about, like I said, 90 minutes out. So I'm about, Space Ghost, Florida, West Palm Beach, man, Florida. Oh, Florida, man. Hal's from upstate New York as well. Wow. A lot of my top supporters are all in New York, man. Bill saying Mission Beach, San Diego, California. Jermaine, Toronto, Ontario. E&M Investors, check out Mission, Upper East Side. NYC, let's go. And George, another Chris the Supers from NYC as well. Oh, Chris is in Baltimore. Wow. Big Chris said he's 1 block from Hudspeth. Bill Cooper says second house in Jupiter, Florida. Wow. Wow, Supreme Judge is in Honolulu, Hawaii, man. I always wanted to go to Hawaii. I'm not going to lie. Always wanted to get there. Wow. Jenny says, we are in your basement, Terry. Actually, I'm not in my basement, actually. I'm actually upstairs. My house has 3 bedrooms, and I'm using the 3rd bedroom as my YouTube room. Yeah, so actually it's not a basement. Believe it or not, it's actually a bedroom. Hey, Kathy, welcome in. I know Kathy always leaves a comment on my regular videos, so I'm going to say thank you, Kathy, for your comments. Wow, Jamar's in Las Vegas, man. That's awesome. Andy's in Boston, Massachusetts. Dallas in Edwards, California. Donald saying the MMAT fam is like no other. Only Stocktwits took her playing music all night. It is weird. Now, I'm going to tell you, this is funny. One of my good buddies, he's actually a moderator on the channel. His name is Wancho. And he messaged me the other day and said, Terry, I can't get any information on metamaterials because every time I go on Stocktwits, all it is music. All that's played on there, there's no information. It's just music, music, music. And I said, yeah, I think that's something George started. Now, I could be wrong, but if anyone could correct me, how did the music get started on Stocktwits, on Metamaterials? I do think George started that about playing music over the weekend. Yeah, MMAT is all music video. Yeah, I think George started that by putting that, so I'm thinking that could be it. Okay, Queen says yes, love it. Yeah, George started it. Yeah, George posted it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, I thought George posted it and it just started ever since. And it is the only ticker you don't know why in the hell is oh, so Courtney saying TX Scotty started music. Awesome. Oh, you know, I think someone maybe posted it and then George. Yes, I think I remember that person asked George to put a song out for the weekend, and he did put a song out. Yes. Okay, perfect. That's what I thought it was, so it's good to get that answer. I thought I was right, but yeah, it's pretty funny that a friend of mine was like, why can't I get any information on metamaterials? All I'm getting is songs. We're not a music stock. But it is funny. Texas Scotty started it back with George before the merger. Wow, it's been going on that long. Yeah, it is an interesting ticker on Stocktwits. I'm going to say the least. Let's see if we got any update. No, still February 10th. It looks like it's going to be tomorrow, guys. I don't think they're going to have an update. Yeah, George Palakaris loves his how much do you think Nanotech made? Yeah, now it's just man, I cannot remember what Nanotech's earnings was last time. I don't remember. I don't want to give a whoa. Whoa, guys, we got some craziness here. WTI crude just broke $109. Hal, thank you so much for the dollar, man. Thank you so much. You don't even know. It helps out so much. As WTI crude cracks a $109.25. Let's go. The Brent crude is still staying at $110. Hal with another $2.99, man. Oil is just like mooning right now after hours. It's crazy. Oil is on the moon. Hal, man, you were just rocking it tonight. Jenny, Dawn, I believe it was earlier. You guys are just awesome. You guys are out here supporting the YouTuber. Yeah, Donald, Jenny, Hal, man, you all are awesome. Yeah, I'll be honest. I never thought I was going to be in the oil business either. Never thought I would be. Kermit saying, not gonna lie, patience. I can understand where people saying that their patience is running thin, but the big one is tomorrow, the live earnings call. I believe it's, hey, Gail, what's going on? Yes, I believe it's 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow is going to be the live earnings call. Let's see here if we can get MMAT. Metamaterials. Andy saying, whale alert, whale alert. Yeah, we did go up a little after hours. Yeah, still don't have an earnings update here. Yes. Agreed. WTI crude. Yes, man. WTI crude is on a mission right now after hours. Is it going to break 110? Oh, it jumped back down. Oh, no, there it is. 109.26. Yeah, that's awesome. Hey, Monty, what's going on? I mean, I'm at the point where, like, look, I'm okay with waiting out because it's been a journey. We've been covering this since about June, about early June of 2021. We've been waiting this long. What's another couple weeks or a month, in my opinion? What's another bit? I mean, I look at it this way. I'm glad they didn't rush and sell it last year because we wouldn't get a good divvy. With them waiting and trying to do things properly, and George says that, you know, he wants to make sure that us preferred Series A shareholders get what we deserve. And he's going to make sure we get this, man. Yeah, and maybe that, Andy has a good point. Maybe the State of the Union address tonight, they might not want to release that during that. So that is possible. Supreme says, as long as the divvy is 20, I'll be, yeah, me too. I'll be very happy with $20. Man, I'm going to be skipping along here, man. Oh, trust me. we got this right here, man. In George we trust. Until I lose trust in George, then I'm not going anywhere. I trust George. George is a very intelligent man, and I know that he hired on him and Ken. They hired on the team to make sure we get what we deserve. And I have faith in that, man. I believe in this. I've been putting this back here in all the videos. Of course, we know George is going to do what's right for us, man. He doesn't want to do us wrong, because if we don't get, treated right, we're not going to reinvest any money back into the stock. So trust me. It's going to be a nice time once we get the divvy. I'll go through a couple more comments here as we check out the WTI crude there. Mooning right now. I would love to see hit 110. WTI crude. Hey, Winston, what's going on, man? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, U.S. government to buy the land? It's possible. It really is possible. Anything is possible. Their oil went down to 109. Now it's back to 109.17. Bobby's from Somerset, Colorado. All right. We got people catching up here. Let's go do a refresh. No, still the 10th. Darn it. Hoping to see if we had any updates here. Yeah, and then there was that there from the Q&A platform. I did do a video yesterday talking about the, let's refresh metamaterials page, see if they got anything. No, they do not. Yeah, Chris made a good point here. We need to invest all the dividends back in MMAT. We'll start the biggest short squeeze ever and become rich together. Agreed. Market Moves, Tony out there has a video kind of going over what would happen if so much money got reinvested back into metamaterials, and as little as 7.5%, it can cause a short squeeze. That little, 7.5%. So basically saying $7.50 for every $100 you receive in a dividend. If everyone did that, there wouldn't be enough. The shorts would be short shares to buy. Courtney says they're going to make a movie about us when this is all over. Yes, they should. And first we need to have Sterling, me, Smokey, Allie from Trading Secrets, Roller Pigeons, and Market Moves, man. We've been on here a good bit of time covering it. Scuba Steve, keep up all you do, man. Keep the power alive. I try to keep the power alive because I know what this is. I have a feeling. I mean, yeah, I just when you got that feeling, you believe in your gut. You got that feeling, man. I feel like I'd be doing a disservice if I just didn't speak my mind and what I feel. Am I any kind of psychic? No, I'm not. But do I believe this is one of the greatest opportunities out there for a massive short squeeze? Hell yeah, I believe that, man. I believe this could be something special. There's that video out there, that gentleman saying about this could be a bigger squeeze than Newegg. And I do believe that's possible, especially with this dividend. We could have a similar situation of Newegg, actually. And yeah. Wonder if I could pull up, I think it's just Newegg. Neg, that's what it is. Wow, Newegg is down to $5. I want to do the 1-year chart. Look at that there. There's when they mooned. They mooned up to $46, Newegg did earlier. Back in July, they had the short squeeze. Went from like $10 up to $47 almost. Jenny! Thank you so much. Coming soon. Yes, Divvy coming soon. Let's go. Yes, the divvy is coming soon. So that gentleman was saying that he believes that we could have a bigger short squeeze than Newegg. And I do believe that. Hal, thank you so much for your support, man. Yes, you don't even know, man. You guys have been amazing tonight. Yeah, I think it did. This chart is real. I thought Newegg was closer to 80. Yeah. Yeah, market moves, man. He has some great charts, great visual pieces. How? Oh, how? Jenny spend her lunch money like me. Way to go. I hear you. Okay, WTI did come down a little bit. Oh no, it went back up. 109.16. All right. Yeah, Newegg went to almost 80. Yeah, I believe that chart is wrong. Yahoo Finance. MAT is going to buy me some land in the mountains. Hey, there you go. Yes, Newegg and OSTK. Maybe we don't want to use Yahoo Finance. How about that? Let's get out of here. All right, let's go. I'll take 69. That'd be appreciated. Yes, sir. Next stock. Let's see if we can get it here on. All right, so at least they're showing it close here. So on the Google, they're showing 67.57. But if we go down here and look, 79.07 right there, 52-week high. That was probably after hours it hit that. And now it's trading at $5. Wow. That's pretty crazy. Terry took Hal's lunch money. The VW squeeze. Yeah, I did hear about that one. Yeah, so Newegg squeeze. And then, of course, we got, what was the other one? Yes, OSTK. Of course, we got to talk about Overstock still holding up good, man. Ain't gonna lie. We need a 5-year. Yeah, here's what went from like $3 stock the whole way up to 121. Let's freaking go. Can we get that action? From like $3 and $4 the whole way up, man, to $121. Wow. That is a wild ride. I'm not going to lie. That's amazing. Could you just imagine if we went like that much? I mean, you're talking like lives are being changed as it hits those prices, man. And we got the potential. We definitely got the potential with this divvy. The divvy could definitely get us there. Absolutely, it could. It's all up to the divvy. VW was the largest ever. I wonder if I can pull up Volkswagen stock. VW stock. Is it the one here in the OTC markets? Get back to 5-year. No, I don't think that. Mr. Tang saying is it eating turkey spam peanut butter sandwiches for the last year to buy in. Yes, sir. VW Max. Okay. Max stock. Okay, it's not in the 5-year range. Okay. Yeah. Maybe it was a while back. Yeah, I wouldn't mind a slow squeeze. Slow squeezes are good. The max button. Yeah, I don't see anything here. It says click. Oh, click max. Yeah, it's still saying here that it was only up to like $30. Yeah, clicked max, VW max stock price. This is showing OTC stock. What is the ticker symbol for it? Yeah, I think it's broken. I think it is because I think they said it went crazy. Here we go. Wow. This was back in 2008. Hope those are 3 separate sandwiches. Yes. Wow, it went from $210 up to $1,000 in 2 days. Wow. Wow. Yep, there it is. Wow. Hey, Wancho, what's going on, man? Yes, sir. Sofi, I talked a little bit about that earlier, actually. And I actually talked a little bit. I got an answer for you. So the other day, you asked me, why on Stocktwits is there always music? You go on there to get in. This is the guy I was telling y'all about, Wancho, good buddy of mine. And we were saying that every time he goes on to Stocktwits to try to get some information about metamaterials, all he gets is music. And we figured it out. We got TX Scotty back in June during the merger, and there was another individual. They were tweeting George, messaging George on Stocktwits about music, and George sent a song back. And ever since then, it's been a tradition for music to be posted on Stocktwits. And George apparently likes music. George has tweeted music on there, and the shareholders tweet music back to George on Stocktwits. So that is the story. It started back before the merger, and yeah. So that is the update. Yeah, I did talk about Sofi. Had great earnings. They ran really great today. Unfortunately, we're not getting any information on metamaterials. They're going to wait till tomorrow, it looks like, on their live. The live earnings call is going to be tomorrow. And George did reply back here saying that it looks like it's going to be tomorrow. Bologna and cheese rest of the week. All right. I know, man. I've been eating like salads and all, trying to Wow. Aaron says, look at the Zoom short squeeze from last year from 6 cents to 250. That's pretty amazing, actually. 6 cents to 250. Hey, Tony, what's going on? What up, my good man? Yes, sir. Welcome in. What a company. Yeah, it's amazing. These crazy times we're in where oil is just mooning. WTI is at 108.71. Make sure it don't jump around on me. So it did come down a little bit. What's my opinion on the Ukraine situation? Well, I think from what I saw on charts of wars, our stock market really doesn't seem to care unless our troops have boots on the ground. So, I mean, it is sad that Russia's going in there doing this to Ukraine. Of course, you don't condone any kind of, war and things like that, man. I think a lot of the Russian people don't even want it. They're protesting. They're basically arresting protesters there in Russia. So it's a big mess. But I feel bad for everyone involved in it. It's just a sad situation. There's that popular video out of a family inside their house, and there's just a plane flying over shooting missiles into buildings, just trying to get people. I don't know, man. It's just it's crazy. It's crazy. I think I did see stuff today about the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange banning trading on Russian stocks. I didn't get to really see it 100%, but yeah. Hey, Market Moves, what's going on, man? We got Tony in the chat. Market Moves. Yes, WTI crude, Tony. We're going to need a new chart, my friend. We're going to need a chart to start at $100 and go up to about 150. So we're going to need a new updated chart from Tony for Market Moves. Hal, thank you so much, man. You've been just sending me those bologna sandwiches all night, man. I'm sure a lot of my viewers here watch Market Moves, man. He puts out some fantastic video. Charles, welcome to the stream, man. Yes. Actually, I have not heard from Right Brain Trader. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know where Right Brain is at. I can shoot him a message if you all would like. I don't know. He hasn't been around. I haven't seen him. Yes, Margaret Moose. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I was hoping I was going to. My reason for this is Smokey, Uncle Smokey, live streamed for over 2 hours earlier, and he was hoping to get the earnings report, and nothing happened. So he stopped the live stream after 2 hours and 2.5 hours roughly. And I'm like, you know what? George put out that tweet, and maybe they'll come out and just release the update here, and they haven't. It looks like they are going to wait till tomorrow and do the live earnings call. Still no update here yet. But I figure, you know what? I'm going to get on here and do a live stream and see if we get any updates and just talk to the people here. And yeah, hopefully Right Brain is doing good. I'll shoot him a message here. He ran off with the divvy. Well, no one's got the divvy yet, but I know he has like 50,000. I'm going to say he has like 50,000 MMAT and MMTLP shares. Oh, Wancho is saying Biden talked about the charge stations, ChargePoint EVgo. What did he say, Wancho? Did he say good news about it? Oh, yeah, we got the person here saying, have you looked into MULN? Yes, I have looked into it. Moon Market actually did a video on it, and I did watch his video, and I'm very intrigued by it. And I was keeping an eye, and I did see it got back down to $1 today. So that's a very interesting stock too. Actually, as we're here waiting, I'm gonna pull up MULN short. Yeah, let's pull this up. All right, let's go to the short interest. Short interest. Here we go. Okay, so okay, so Biden is saying lots of charging stations coming, so that's going to be good for those two stocks. Yeah, ChargePoint EV goes. Wancho is saying also George is using the divvy to buy some music on Apple Music. Yes, he is. He's going to be getting all the music he wants. Yeah, Market Moves is the man with the data, man. The data, the charts. Someone made Right Brain Trader mad. I don't know who did, but I can definitely try to message him. Me and Right Brain were always cool. Maybe I could try to get him on for a live stream again, see if he'd be interested in coming on a live stream, talking to you guys, and just letting him come out here and talk to you guys, see what's on his mind, and get his opinion of everything that's going on. Because I know he's an OG, man. He's been back here early in the early torch days, actually. Bobby's asking, RMSL, it's a cheap stock, he said, supposed to be getting FDA approval. He also said he bought into APER when it dropped. Have you heard of either? No, I have not. I do try to stick away from those kind of stocks. Here's MULN. Short squeeze score is at 86.46. 226, ranked 226 out of 5,500 stocks. 350,000 shares are available to short. All right, they do have a little bit of a short squeeze fee here of 6.32%. Wow, look at the volume today on this. Whoa. Look at the FINRA volume. 290 million shares were traded today in the dark pools, and 53.09% was short. Aggregate short volume ratio. Look at the aggregate. 358 million shares were traded. Whoa. Now, that's what I'm talking about. I think it had to be a lot of shorting and selling pressure because the stock actually went down today. Whoa. That is a lot. I got to look at how many shares are total. What? Okay, I'm not gonna lie here. I'm a little confused because if you look at this with me here, ticker symbol MULN, shares outstanding 34.9 million. So let's just say 35 million shares. How in the hell is like, all right, so we know there's 35. Yeah, Andy's with me. Yeah, hold on. Something ain't right. 35 million shares are outstanding. But if we go look at the short interest, wow. Traded over 10x. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. If we get out here and look at the aggregate. All right, I got to pull MULN up here and get the total. Yeah, we got something ain't right here, guys. Trading at $1.06 right now. Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. It says here average volume is 18.1 million and the volume 498.7 million. Wow. All right, I gotta pull up something else. MULN total outstanding shares. Yeah, right there. Google has the same thing as Fintel, about 35 million shares. Like 10 extra shares are traded. All but like 499 million shares were traded today. What the heck? Go to statistics. Now, I don't have the premium of this to be able to get this information, but here you can see the market cap, enterprise. Wow. See if I get total gross balance sheet, total debt cash flow, stock history. Yeah, right here. Shares outstanding. 34.9 million. So 35 million shares are outstanding. How in the hell is there 10x the amount of shares traded? Wow. Wow. I just don't think I've ever seen anything like that. I'm not going to lie. I'm a little blown away at this. I mean, what? What? 10x? We know there's 35 million shares and almost 500 million shares were traded. Wow. And at $1.06, this is very interesting. I'm not going to lie. This is a very interesting stock. How in the world is there 10x the amount of shares? We need market moves to get us a chart, man. What's going on here? Market moves. What in the heck's going on with MULN, man? We need your insight, brother. Because looking at the Fintel, looking at the Yahoo, looking at the Google, I'm really confused. I'm not going to lie. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm intrigued on this one now. I may have to do a little bit little investigating on it, maybe throw a couple bucks into it. Yeah. Check the news for MULN. Oh no, don't tell me it's something to do with Russia. Andy. Wow. Yeah, there has to be a lot of naked shorting going on. Not just naked shorting, but I mean huge naked shorting, to say the least. Wow. All right, let's go to the news on it. There's a Seeking Alpha article. Here's a market. Wow, failure to deliver is off the charts. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Let me go here to the Fintel and see if I can get us the failure to delivers. Okay, so this hasn't updated since yeah, it hasn't updated in a while. There wasn't a lot then on the failure to delivers, but there has to be something going on. Oh, Jenny, no. She told her man to buy MULN at 70 cents Sunday night. He bought in Monday at 2 shares. Oh, because I know MULN had a little bit of a run. All right, let's see if we can get some news here in this market watch. So it doubled on Monday. It's an electric vehicle company, Mullen Automotive. Dive 38% to $1.04 after their stock more than doubled the following update. Company's polymer battery technology. So here it says testing the solid state polymer cells reverse potential. 150 kilowatt hour battery pack delivers 600 plus miles of range. Wow. Highlights 18-minute DC fast charge, which can yield over 300 miles of range. After closing at 69 cents Friday, shares ended Monday at $1.69. Mullen said Monday afternoon it amended as prosperous for a stock sale by various shareholders. It also reported February 10th amended securities purchase agreement said the company's wholly owned subsidiary entered a $5 million loan commitment. Wow. Mercy is hearing Elon is buying MUL. Wow. This could be one to I mean, I'm sure there's riskness. It's you know, when you got a stock very volatile like this, there's always is risk involved. Because I think the low is like 7. What's the 52-week low on this? I mean, it don't mean it ever can't go lower. As we know, 52 cents was the low. So, I mean, there still is a good bit of risk if it got back down to the low. But look at the high, $15. Almost $16. That is a huge swing. 52 cents to $15.89. Wow. So, yeah, pretty intense right there, actually. All right. This is something I'm going to do a little work on. Maybe come back and do another video on this one alone because, man, this is intense. Woo! All right, guys. So we've been going over an hour. I'm going to do one last check here on SEC. I don't think we're going to get anything tonight. No, still there. We'll take one last look at the WTI crude, sitting at $108. Yeah, Andy, I am so confused on the volume because that doesn't make sense. I mean, 35 million on a dollar stock. That's a very low float. 35 million shares on a dollar stock. That volume just doesn't make sense. Oh, DP is saying. Let's see here. DP is saying that IMPP 13 million free float. Wow. Yeah. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. I'm sorry there is no earnings. I was hoping to come out here and hopefully have earnings pop up, but I think we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. So make sure y'all are subscribed to Smokey. He's gonna be doing the live earnings call on his channel. I will be at work, so I'll try to come out and do a video tomorrow night. Just going over the earnings report and giving my opinion. Hopefully we'll have some great articles out there breaking it down. And I'll give my opinions and my thoughts. And hopefully we have some big news to come celebrate with. So I want to thank you all for all your love and support. And I will catch y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.